What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today I got a screen protector review, not installation, for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, before I even get started, if you can help your boy out, subscribe, like, share, hit the bell notification if you want to know what's going down with your boy. I know I've been on a hiatus again. I'm trying to get back on and make it more consistent, but one step at a time, we getting there. But enough with the excuses. I'm here. We got this screen protector. I did do a video, actually. I tried to record a video rather, but it came out pretty bad in terms of quality, and I had already installed it, so I just said, I'm not gonna put that out there. But I just figured I'd show you guys what we got as far as the end product, and let you guys come to a conclusion on whether you think it's worth it or not. I will say right now, as of today, this is probably the best option that you can get for a screen protector, besides, getting just a plastic joint. But let me go ahead and show you what the name of it is. What we got here. Doesn't even really have a name. So this is what we're talking about. LJM LLC. I don't really think you should type that in. If you type in let's see, OnePlus 7 Pro screen protector. Yeah, if you just type that in, it's like the fourth one down. This is more related to your Whitestone dome type of glass, where it uses the adhesive gel. You need the UV light, as you can see here on the box. 3D curve. It's best for those curved screens because you can't really, right now, for some reason, you can't get a tempered glass that can fit right over the screen without getting bubbles or whatever. So this is what we have in replacement for that. It's got pretty good rating so far on Amazon, but I can attest to it. Quality is great. So if you can see it, oops. No bubbles, The only caveat to this is just, I'll open up, this is what you get in the box. And it's a pretty good value. So you're seeing 32 bucks. So you get, I got one on, you get a second one. You also get two gels. You get two of these packets that basically just have all your cleaning stuff in it and preparation and all that stuff for when you're about to install it. But like I said, the caveat is that you don't, if you know anything about the Whitestone dome glass screen protectors, it has a mold cut out for the phone, like this, and it's made to help you be able to put the phone, put the screen protector on evenly. This ain't that. This is pretty freehand, so when you're doing it, which is why my video kind of came out messed up, you get your glass, and you got your gel. Same idea, exact same idea as your Whitestone dome. So, what you're gonna do is which one is it? Let me see. You pop this top off. The only difference here is it's got this little, it's sealed off at the corner, at the top. So you're gonna cut that about 1 millimeter down, right there. And then you're gonna drop it down to the center of the screen as if it was if you're familiar with the Whitestone domes. I'll post a video of my installation with the S10. But so you're just gonna put it right in the middle, let the little bead be right there in the middle. Like I said, it's all freehand. So with the Whitestone dome glass, you would have your mold that you can set the phone in, and then you would lay the glass down in a little corner and then literally just let it drop, and it would flow out evenly. It'd be on here straight and you had nothing to worry about. With this though, so you're gonna try to put this on top of the thing like this and try to get it as even as possible. So the problems that I ran into with that is, I think with this particular screen protector, they don't have the correct amount of gel in here. I don't think they did a lot of testing in terms of the perfect amount of gel because I did have a lot of it spill off to the side. So you want to make sure you're going to be covering up your speaker grills. I'd recommend covering up some of these openings, even though I'm pretty sure they're kind of sealed. But just in case, cover up any of these little cracks and openings. You're going to want to cover up this because I did have a little bit of extra gel come down the sides. So that happened. What else? You know, just the fact that it's freehand, so I wasn't able to get it on as straight as possible. So one side of my screen protector is a little bit more near the edge than this side. But you know, it is what it is. It actually, like I said, it came out pretty decent. Like no air bubbles, no pieces, no particles or nothing underneath. So, you know, you just gotta be a little extra careful. 32 bucks, you do get two. So think of it that way. You just gotta be careful when you're putting on each one so that way you can get the most out of it. But I would definitely suggest it. Like I know it's not molded and everything, it's not made easy to put on, but it's not difficult either. You just gotta have a decent steady hand and be working in a clean, make sure it's on a level area. When I did mine, it was kind of it wasn't leveled, so I was running into an issue where my bead of gel just kept sliding down this way, so I had to try to get it up here. So that may have played a part in why my gel was leaking out this side, but I did end up, like I said, I ended up having enough for it to cover the entire phone, which is why I believe they probably put too much gel inside of each one of these little things. So yeah, same idea though. I think I left the UV light. It's a USB light, USB UV light. That's it on the picture there. You're gonna wanna, it's smaller than the Whitestone Dome one, so you're gonna wanna put it in fourths of the screen and let it dry for, what is it? What they got here on the instructions. It was a set of instructions, but about 30 seconds in each side, or for each fourth section, 30 seconds each. That's the initial drying, so that way you can take it off, get everything cleaned up, and then you're gonna go back and hit it with another 60 seconds with each section. So it's gonna be a total of 4 minutes on that last dry time. So just to be safe, you know, that's what I would do. And yeah, once you're done, you're gonna have yourself a nice, clean, protected phone. I got the OnePlus case here, the little bumper fake carbon fiber case, nice fit right up to the edge on that screen. And even on that side where it's kind of close, I'm not messing with the screen. It's still laid in there pretty nice. So yeah, that's that. This is a glass 3D screen protector. I'll post the link in the description. It's just so you can get right to it. But like I said, 32 bucks. Go pick it up. Anyway, man, it's your man Wayne Trim. Like I said again, like, share, do what you gotta do, help your boy. And I'm out.